Okay, 1 minute. So the day one command is completed. So now today we are going to start with the day two journey with some basic commands and some advanced commands of the Linux operating system. Okay. So now I'm going to share my screen. So the day one I'm using the Amazon EC2, but day two I'm going to start with my virtual machine. That is, and in this side I'm using the CentOS, and this is hosted on my system. If you don't want to launch each and every time your virtual machine over the cloud, so this is another way you can use this VMware software and download this CentOS image. It's approx 10 GB size of this image, and then you can install it on your local system. So every time whenever you want to use, you just simply just run this software and you are able to get this kind of the operating system terminal. Okay, see, so this is my terminal. So here I'm going to run the command. So now the first thing is I'm logging as a normal user. Okay, so that's why it is showing the Jeep. So I'm going to change my privilege by using the command sudo space su space hyphen enter, and now 1 3 n. Okay, so it means I'm ready to work on this section here. So the first command which I'm going to cover today, it is user add. If you want to create any kind of the user, then the command is user add. User add and give the any kind of the name which you want to create. Suppose I want to create a name with the its the name username is like Puspa. Okay, not a Puspa, Pusparaj. Okay, I want to create a user with the name of Pusparaj. See, so I'm not getting any kind of the message like the user is successfully created or not. I'm not getting any kind of the error. So how you will check the user is successfully created or not? So in the Linux operating system, we have a file. So with the help of that file, you will get the idea the particular user is successfully created or not. So the file is what? cat slash etc slash passwd. Okay, this is a file which contains all the user related database. Okay, just write down the file name, file use. This file is used for the contain all the user related database, right? So if you want to check how many users you have, how how many users are active in your system, so you need to open this file and check it. Okay, but remember, no need to change anything on this file. So whenever you are going to open this file, always use the cat command. No need to use any kind of the symbol. Otherwise this is your system file. Okay, so if you change anything on this file, so maybe your operating system will damage or corrupt, right? So always use the only cat and then give the file name and enter. Now see, so you will get some kind of the details here. Okay, so the first line is start from the root and the last line start from the C. I have one more user G, then Tappu is there, and now this one is I created Pusparaj. Okay, so it means my user is successfully created. Okay, but in between, see, this is a username which is created by my side. This is a username, it is also created by my side, and this is created by my side. But what about these users? Who is it and who created this kind of the user? See, so in the Linux, let me clear my screen. In the Linux we have three types of user. Three types of user in the Linux operating system. So how, which one? The first one is your super user. The first one is your super user. Super user means what? It is a root one. Okay. Then the second one is for system user. System user, or you can say it is a service user. It is a service user, and these kind of the user is created by the system only. Okay, and now the third one is user defined, and who is the user? We are the user. So these three types of the users we have in the Linux operating system, and each and every user having a unique ID number. Okay, if you notice on this file, see, if again I'm going to open cat/etc/passwd, and now here you can see each and every user having a kind of a number. See, root is 0, the mean is 1, and then after you can go on this, the Jeet is got 100, okay, 000, okay, then Tappu is got 1001, right, and then Pushpraj is got 1002. So what is the mean of this number? These numbers is known as a user ID. Okay, these number is known as a user ID. So remember, the root user always get the 0. The root user always get a 0. So it means that is a root user. And in between, from 1 to 999, 1 to 999 is reserved for the system user. It is reserved for the system user. Okay, and then 1 000 it is start from the for the user defined user. Okay, this 1000 is start from the user part. So if you transfer, like suppose I have a user with the name of Pushparaj, okay, and what I want to transfer the privilege which have root user. So what I need to do? I need to change this ID number. If you are able to change this ID number from any number, like the Pushparaj having the 1001 number, right? The Pushparaj ID is what? Suppose Pushparaj ID is right now it is 1002, and what I want to give the root privilege for this user, and the root ID number is what? 0, राइट, यही था ना, पुष्पराज का क्या था? 1002 था और रूट का 0 है. अभी अगर आपने क्या किया, इफ यू चेंज दिस पुष्पराज आईडी फ्रॉम 100 to 0, so the Pushparaj will get all the privilege as similar to the root user. It means the UID is very important in this case. Okay, so we have a command. With the help of that command, you are able to change the UID as well. Now, see, again, I'm going to open the file and give you the explanation. Past WD. See, so in this file, I have so many things, right? In the Pushpraj, then the X is there. Okay, then 1002, as I already told you, this is a UID. This is a user ID number, and this is a GID, group ID number. It is a group ID number. And then /home/Pushparaj. It is your home directory. If you create any kind of the files and the folders, so you are able to use this one only. Okay, and you are using the this cell bin bash, right? Now, so this one is clear, but what is the meaning of this X? So this X is related to your password value. Okay, this X is related to your password value. So if you assign the any kind of the password for user, then the X is indicating the password one. Okay, and the password value is stored on a file. The file name is /etc/shadow. Write down this one also. This is a user password related database contained by the /etc/shadow. Clear? /etc/password, it is a user database. /etc/shadow, it is a password database. Clear? The difference is clear? Okay, now I want to also open this file. So how I open? So just type cat/etc/ I want to check what is the password of my user. Oh, see. So in Jeet, you can see there is a kind of a value is there, right? In Tappu, there is a kind of a value. Okay, but in the Pushpraj, only these two exclamation mark is there. Why? What is the meaning of this one? Because you just created the user. You are not assigning the any kind of the password to Pushpraj, right? I use only one command, that is a user add. So with the help of user add, you are able to create a user only. You are not able to assign the password to the user. Clear? So if you want to assign the password, so what you need to do, type passwd space username. So what is my username? Pusp Raj. Okay, give the username Pusp Raj. ठीक है, किसको पासवर्ड किसको असाइन करना है, जिसको भी पासवर्ड असाइन करना हो ना, तो पास wd स्पेस यूजर नेम एंड एंटर. So it is asking you the enter the password, enter a new password for the user of Pushparaj. See, so whenever you are going to type the password, so you are not able to see any kind of the keystroke on your screen. See, suppose I am going to give a password 123. See, you are not able to see any kind of the key point or the asterisk symbol on the screen, but the password is successfully assigned. You just simply type the keystrokes which you want to assign for this user, enter. Now again give the same password which you give, enter. Now see, password all authentication token update successfully. It means the Pushparaj, now the Pushparaj has a password. Now again I am going to open the file cat slash etc slash passw sorry slash shadow and check you have a password or not. See, in this time you have some value from this colon, from this colon to this one. This is your password value. This is your password. Now see, you are able to see my password. Okay, so now you can log in with this one. If you copy and paste, so it means you are able to log in. Just mute yourself. Who is this? Okay, so if this is not my password, this is my encrypted password value. What is my password? I assign only the 123. The 123 is going to convert in this side. This is okay. So my simple password is only 123, but with the help of encryption method, it is going to convert in this sentence, right? This one is clear. अभी इतना clear है? See.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Gaurav,
Yes.
clear?
Yes.
Okay. So how to create a user, how to check the user database, how to check the password values. These four things is clear. Now we have one more method. If you want to check the user is created or not, so you can directly use ls/home and press enter. So now in this directory, in this one is basically used for the all the user related database. So now the Jeet is there, Pushparaj is there, and the Tappu is there. So these, it means that these three users are present in my system. So with the help of this command, you also able to check how many users you have. Okay. Now suppose I want to delete a user. I want to delete this Pushparaj. So what I need to do? User del and give the username. So what is my username? Pushraj. Okay, enter. Okay, now it's showing again. There's no any message on the screen, so I don't know it's successfully deleted or not. So what I need to do? How I will check is deleted or not? So again, what I need to do? Open the same database file cat slash etc slash pass wd and enter. See, so Jeet is there, Tappu is there, but the Pushparaj is missing. So it means Pushparaj is successfully deleted. Okay, now one more thing. Again, ls, if you use the ls/home command, so now see what happened. What is this? According to the database file, Pushparaj is deleted, but if you go on this path, so here the Pushparaj data is still present on your system. What is the mean of this thing? User delete हो गया है. User delete हो गया. No one is able to log in with the name of Pushparaj and their password, but the database is still present in your system. Okay, but the database is still present in your system. Why? Maybe if you want to check like the Pushparaj having some kind of the project file, or the Pushparaj is having some kind of the document. So you can retrieve that part with the help of this one. Okay. So that's why the Pushparaj is there. And now by using the command, we have one command. We have one command. If suppose you want to delete a user with their home directory, so we have a command. Okay. I will give you the that command for a task purpose. So that's why I'm not going to cover. So you can write down your first task. What is this? You need to delete this user. You need to delete a user. Okay. Delete a user. Just write down with their home directory. By using a single command, you need to perform this one. You need to delete the user plus its home directory file, home directory data. Okay. So this is your task one. Now another thing, the user, how you create a user and how to assign the password and deleting the user is clear. Now the another part is what I want to create a group. Okay. So what is the command? Group add. Suppose I want to create a group with the name of sales. So type sales. Oh, it's created. No. Same thing. No message. So how you will check it is created or not? So we have a file, just write down the file name which contain all the group related database. Okay. So type group cat slash etc slash group. Okay. Cat slash etc slash group and enter. Now see. So these are the different kind of the you. See the sales is successfully created. Okay. Sales is successfully created. Got it?
Yes.
One more command is there if you want to check the user is present in your system or not. Like suppose I want to check the Jeet is there or not in the system. So you have a command, you can simply type ID and give the username. So you will get the user detail. Now see, the UID is this one, GID is this one, group is this one, and the wheel is this one. Okay. So with the help of ID space username, so you will get a complete detail of the user. If you don't want to open the past WD file again and again, and you want to check the user is present or not, and but in this case you must be know the username. यूजर नेम आपको पता है, देन यू कैन यूज दिस आईडी कमांड. अब यूजर नेम ही नहीं पता तो फिर कैसे आईडी कमांड का यूज करो? So you need to type ID and give the username. Then you will get the all the details which is related to your user part. Okay. If you want to delete a group, then type what is the main purpose of the group. See, the group is what? It is a kind of a container which contains the multiple user. For example, suppose I want to give the some kind of the I want to apply some kind of the policies in my 10 users. Okay, I have 10 users and I want to apply a kind of a policies in these 10 users. So I have two options. The one is one by one I'm selecting the user and applying the policies. Okay, so it will take us so much time. And the another way is what I'm going to create a container. Okay, the container is what? It is a group or the WhatsApp group. Okay, it is like a WhatsApp group. If you want to send a message for the multiple user, then create a WhatsApp group. So in the group, you need to add all these 10 users. Okay, you need to add all these two users, and after that, you need to apply that policy into the group only, and the group will automatically replicate the policies for all the users. Got it? So you need to drop the message only your WhatsApp group, then the message is going to forward for all the users, or the message will going to broadcast for all the users. So the group is clear. Group is what? Group is a container which contains the multiple user. And if you want to apply any kind of the policy, so just simple apply that policy over the group, and the group will automatically replicate the policies for all the users. Okay. So now suppose I create a user. If you want to delete a user, then if you want to delete a group, then the command is what? group del group del and give the name is what? Sales and enter. Now again it's successfully deleted. You need to check by a command cat slash etc slash group. Okay. See, the sales is missing. Okay, sales is missing. It is clear
Okay.
how you will create a group and user. Okay, now again I'm going to create a one more user add. Okay, user add, and what will be the username? Suppose Raj. Enter and give the password and type Raj. Username is what? Raj. And I want to give the password one done. Okay. Now I want to check the Raj is active or not. I'm able to log in with the Raj or not. So what I need to do, I'm going to select a terminal. Control on F4. See, this is another terminal. So I'm going to log in here with the name of Raj. So I need to type Raj, enter, and give the password. So what is the password? Is one only, enter. Now see, welcome to the world of Linux, Raj @localhost. Okay, so it means I'm successfully logged in with my username password. The Raj is active one. So now suppose my task is completed. I want to exit from this. First of all, I'm going to clear this one. So my task is completed. So what I want to exit from this terminal or I want to log out. So I need to type exit, enter, see. See. So what is the message? Just read on my screen. Tata kal fir aana. Huh? It
Yes.
is a kind of a message for your user. Now check again. If I log in, see, if I log in with the name of Raj and one to only one, enter. See, so what you got? Welcome to the world of Linux. Did you notice something? It means whenever you log out and log in, you get a customized message on your screen. Hmm? You are getting the customized message of your screen. It means it is a kind of a method to care your user or to give the greetings to your user. ठीक है, किसी को यूजर को भी अच्छा लगे कि हाँ चलो कोई तो है जो उसका ख्याल रख रहा है। जब जा रहा है तो कह दे टाटा कल फिर आना, और जब आ गया तो फिर वेलकम टू द वर्ल्ड ऑफ लिनक्स। तो उसको भी ये थोड़ा सा अच्छा लगेगा। सो व्हाट आई एम आल्सो वांट टू गिव added this kind of the message on my terminal. So what you need to do, again I'm going to enter on this graphical mode. So we have a file, just write down the file name cat slash etc slash issue. Okay, you need to open this file. See, so this is for what? Logout file. If someone is logging, if you want to print any kind of the message in this file, then use this one. Okay, this is for the logout one. So suppose I'm going to type a message cat slash etc slash issue. Okay, now tell me what I need to type here. I'm suppose again I'm going to do data take care कल फिर okay, done, clear, and save this one. So this one is for what? For the logout. Now, so what about the login? If someone is logging, then I am also print a message. So type cat. We have one more file cat slash etc slash motd. Okay, motd on your point. See, so this in this file I have a message. Welcome to the world of Linux. So I want to change this one cat greater than slash etc slash motd, enter. So here I'm going to type a message like welcome Welcome. Welcome to Help of Private Job. Hmm. Okay, and save this one. Done. Now clear this one. Again, I am going to log in with the name of see Tata, Tata, take care, kal fir aana. It is updated. Now I'm going to log in with the name of Raj and enter the password. See, welcome to the hell of private jobs. Okay. So now you are able to print this kind of the message when the user is log out and the login. Clear?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay. So then after creating this user part, see we have two more command. It is a user mode. Okay, so with the help of user mode you can perform the so many advanced things for your user. Like these are the parameter you need to use: hyphen b, hyphen c, hyphen d, hyphen e, hyphen f. So you can read down these values as well. Okay, so remember, if you want to perform any kind of the advanced thing for your user, then use user mode. Okay, you need to use user mode. And we have one more command is there, group mod. If you perform any advanced thing for your group, then use this one, group mod. Okay, group mode or user mode. For example, suppose I'm giving you an example. So first of all, I'm going to create a group. Okay, uh, group add, and the name is what, sales. I have a user like ID Raj. See, so Raj, right now the Raj, what is the group of Raj is, it is only Raj is there, right? What I want to add this user into this group. So here I need to type a command, user mod hyphen capital G space, give the group name says, and the username is Raj, enter. Now again just type ID space Raj and see what happened. So Raj is going to the member of sales one. So by using the this command, user mode command, you are also able to add your group, add your user into the group. And if you check this file cat slash etc slash group and enter. Now you can see the sales and then Raj is there. It means the Raj is a member of sales group. If you are going to apply anything on this one, so that thing is automatic going to replicate on this part or for this user. Okay. So this is a main thing. So remember the user mode, by using the user mode or by using the group mode, you can perform the so many advanced thing for your user and for your group. Okay, so you need to use this one. Okay, so the user part and the group part is done. Then after, what I want to check the permission part. Okay, because the permission is very important. So see this one, ls. So in this one, I'm going to enter on this directory cdjk ls. Okay, so I have so many files in this one. So I'm going to type ls-l. The better way is I'm going to create a new one. Cd test ls rm hyphen rf asterisk ls. Okay, so there is no any file and directory in this one location. So I'm going to create a file, touch space 123. Okay, and if you press ls command, see, so this one is only showing the how many files in the folders there, but if you check via this command ls-l, so you can see there's a something is there rwrr, and then it is a for user, this one is for the group, okay, this is the size of your file, and date and the time is there, right? So what is the mean of this line rw? So I'm going to copy this one first, okay, I'm going to copy, and then I'm going to open my browser for, and if I paste this that thing here, see what happened. Okay, let me increase the size. Okay, so now tell, this one is clear, right? See, what is the mean of this RWRR hyphen 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 hyphen? See, this is a one group. This is a group one RW hyphen. This is a another group RW hyphen. This is a third group, right? So you have three different kind of the group. Group one, group two, and group three. And what is the mean of this hyphen? See, the RW is clear. What is the mean of this hyphen? See, so we
No
have
right.
R, W, or X. R, W, X. R means what?
Read permissions.
Read. Okay, this one is for the read, then write, and then
Mm-hmm.
execute. Then execute. If you have any kind of the exe file and you want to install the software, so what you need to do, you just simply click on that file, and after it you are able to execute that file. Okay, so exe is for that. So it means in a file or in a directory we have these three permission rwx. Okay, so but why it is written on the three times? So the first block rwx, okay, this one is what it is representing. It is a file, it is a file or directory. The first one is representing it is a file or folder. If you get the hyphen or f is there, if you get the hyphen or the f is in this place, so it means it is indicating it is a file. And if you get the d, d is there in this place, so it means it is representing it is a kind of a directory. Okay, now see, so what is the mean of these three one? So the first block is for the user part, user or the owner, user part, or you can say it is a for the owner who created the file. Okay, the first part. Then the second part is for the group, second one for the group, and the third is for the others. ठीक है, मतलब एक ऐसा यूजर जिसने ना तो फाइल बनाई है, ना ही वो ग्रुप का मेंबर है, लेकिन वो फाइल को एक्सेस करना चाहता है, तो वो क्या हो गया, अदर्स में हो गया. ओके, so this is the main method purpose to define these three part rw r hyphen hyphen r hyphen hyphen. And remember, so in the Linux, if you go for the r, w, or x, so we have some numeric value for the r, w, and x. So for the r is 4, the right for 2, and the x for 1. So how much is this? 7. Okay. So what is the mean of this one? RW is, it means 4, 2, 0. Then again 4 is there. Then 0, 0 is there. Then again 4 is there. 0 and 0. So what will be the permission of this file? What is the permission? Just count these numbers. 4 plus 2. How much? Is 6. Then in this part only the 4 is there, so write down the same 4. In this part only the 4 is there, so this is a permission 644. 644. Got it? How you will calculate? Suppose, for example, if I have in this hyphen, if I have R W, and in this one I have R X, then now tell me what will be the permission? What will be the permission? Calculate it. 4 plus 2, again 6. 4 and W is there, na? W is there. So it means 4 plus 2, 6.
6.
Then 4 plus how much?
0.
Uh-huh.
1. Yeah. 5.
5. So it will be 5. 6, 6, 5. Okay. But the question is how I will change this one. So again you need to go on your terminal and type a command chmod. Chmod means what? I want to change the permission. If you want to change the permission for any kind of the file, then use chmod. File or directory as well. Chmod and type. So what is the permission? 665 you want to assign. Okay, as per the calculation. Okay, chmod 665 and give the file name. What is the file name? It is only 123. 123. And now type ls-l and check the your permission is going to change. RW, RW, RX. It means your user is able to read and write, your group members are able to read and write, but the others is only read and execute one. Now suppose what I want? I want to remove the read and execute permission from the others. So what I need to give? Chmod. What I need to type here? I want to remove the read and execute permissions for the others users only. So what I need to type here? अदर से रीड और एग्जीक्यूट का परमिशन हटा दो. बताओ क्या लिखूं मैं यहाँ पर? क्या लिखना चाहिए मुझे यहाँ पर? 6 6 सब कुछ हटाना है ना, तो 0 लिखो. फाइल का नाम क्या है? 1 2 3.
3.
ls-l करो. देखो हट गया. हट गया ना.
Yes.
अब मुझे क्या करना है? फिर से समझना है. मैं चाहता हूं इस फाइल पर जो ओनर है वो रीड राइट एग्जीक्यूट करेगा. जो ग्रुप है, मैं लिखता जा रहा हूं, ठीक है, देखना फिर बताना मुझे. यूजर क्या करेगा? RWX रीड राइट एग्जीक्यूट. ग्रुप ग्रुप क्या करेगा? सिर्फ रीड करेगा. एंड अदर्स इज ऑल्सो फॉर द रीड. नाउ टेल मी व्हाट आई नीड टू टाइप. What I need to type? What I need to type?
744.
Huh?
744.
Okay. Chmod
744.
7
4.
4 4 and 1 2 3. Let me check. ls-l c. Correct.
0.
Okay. It is clear.
Yes.
Permission check करना, change करना पता चल गया. Okay. Now see, if you created any kind of directory mkdir space test, and now see ls-l. So in this one, see in the file you always get the hyphen symbol or the f, but if the directory is there, so you will get the d for the directory. And now in the directory you have rwx, rx, rx. So what is the permission? 7 5 5, right? 7 5 5. This is a by default permission. 755 for the directory. Okay. Now, see one more thing. Suppose I have a file ls hyphen l. I have a file. It is of name is 123, and what I want. This is a username, right? I want to change the ownership of the file. I want to change the ownership of the file. So what I need to do? Just simple type. If you want to change the ownership, okay, chown. Chown means what? Change ownership. CHOWN means chown, change ownership. And suppose I have a username, it's a Jeet, and then the file name is what? 123, enter. And now check ls-l, what happened? Owner is going to change. See this one? From root to Jeet is there. Got it?
Yes.
So with the help of chown command, you are able to change the ownership of any file or directory. Now again, I want to change this group also. I have a group. I want to change the group also. So what is the command? chgrp change group and give the group name. It's a sales and give the file name. It's a 123, enter. And now check ls-l. See what? Jeet and sales is there, and before this root and root is there. So with the help of chown and with the help of chgrp, you are able to change the ownership and group. Okay. Now I'm going to create a one more file touch and with the name of Jadu. Okay. And ls-l. Now see. So what I want to change the ownership as well as the group by using the single command. I don't want to use these two different command. I want to use a single command and then change the for the changing the use ownership and group. So just type chown space. Suppose I want to give this one for the Raj and the group name is what? Sales and the file name is what? Jadu. Enter. Now see ls-l, देखो क्या हुआ, यूजर भी चेंज हो गया और ग्रुप भी चेंज हो गया। एक ही कमांड से आपने क्या किया, यूजर को भी चेंज कर दिया और ग्रुप को भी चेंज कर दिया। क्यों अलग अलग काम करना भाई, जब एक से काम हो सकता है तो। ठीक है ना, देखो ये भी है,
Okay.
समझ गए। चलो क्लियर करते हैं। अच्छा एक चीज नोटिस करी, बार बार मैं क्लियर लिखता हूँ यार, बार बार क्लियर लिखता हूँ, क्यों लिखता हूँ? CLEAR, कितनी बार मुझे प्रेस करना पड़ा? हाउ मेनी कैरेक्टर आई नीड टू टाइप? हाउ मेनी कैरेक्टर्स?
5.
5.
5 characters. Okay, so every time I need to type these 5. So what about, I want to create a shortcut of this 5. I want what if I press C? Oh, I got the error. Command not found. So there is no any command which is related to the C. So what I want to create a shortcut of any command. So in case you are using any kind of the command for every time in your server side. So the command is very lengthy. So every time you need to type that command. So what you want to create a shortcut of the form. Okay. So we have a file. If you want to create a shortcut, ls-a, we have a file. The file name is कहाँ गई? Bash RC. But before this, skip this one. Okay, I need to explain the editor first. I'm going to give you the editing part. See, remember. So from today onwards, whenever you are going to use the Linux, so no need to create any file with the help of cat command. Always use vi command. Okay, vi is for the Vim editor. Vi stand for the Vim editor, visual editor. It is a similar to your Microsoft Office, so it will also giving the so many options to use the editor. If you want to create any kind of the file, so simple type vi space and file name. Okay. Vi space or give the any kind of the name. Suppose I want to create a file with the name of, क्या नाम है, पूजा. Okay, and enter. See, so the right now the file is open. You are getting the editing mode, but you are not able to type anything on this file. If you want to write anything on this file, so press small I. Press small I, and then you will get the insert on your screen. Once you get this insert button, insert message on your screen, so it means now you are ready to write on this file. Now you are ready to write on this file. Okay, now you can type anything and press enter as well. Okay, if you feel the last line is wrong, so you can switch your cursor from any line. Okay, so anytime you can write, anytime you can change in this file with the help of vi editor. We have one more editor, that is the nano. Okay, so you, if you want to use the nano, so you can also go for the nano, but the most famous and the most usable is only vi. Okay, this one is the most famous one, right? So now again I'm going to write something in this file. This is my file, this is my file. Okay, so you can write anything on this one. Give me a minute only. So this is my file, and here I'm going to write this is my file, or anything whatever you want to write. Okay, and suppose if you want to save this file, so press escape key on your keyboard. Okay, you need to press escape key. Escape key. Okay, press escape key. Once you press the escape key, so now you can see the insert is missing on your screen. It means in this case you are not able to write anything on this file. So this one is a command mode. Once you press the escape mode, then you are able to work on the command mode. And here you need to the command. Suppose I want to save this file. So use the colon, type W and Q. W is for the write and the Q is for the quit. W, Q. Okay, and enter now. So now one more thing. In VI editor, in VI, we have three mode. Okay, we have three mode. Which one? Insert mode, right? The first one, insert mode. Then we have escape mode. Okay, and then we have command mode. Remember, in the VI editor, we have three mode. One is the insert mode. Then we have escape mode. We have command mode. So what is the purpose of the insert mode? If you want to write anything on the file, if you want to change anything on the file, then go on the insert mode. So for entering the insert mode, you need to press small I. Okay. By using the small I, you are able to enter or you are able to add it on your file. Once your editing part is done, now suppose the editing part is done, what I want to save the file, or I want to exit from the file, or suppose I don't want to save anything which I write it. Okay, by mistakenly I write something, but I don't want to save this one. So what you need to do, I want to exit without saving or exit with saving. So anything if you want to perform, once your editing part is done, then you need to press the escape key on your keyboard. Okay, so this escape key redirect you from insert mode to command mode. Okay, so here you need to give the command for like for the saving one. Okay, if you want to save your data, if you want to exit from the file, so anything if you want to perform, so you need to enter on the command, right? So this part is clear. In the VI, we have three modes: insert mode, escape mode, or command mode. Now see again, I'm going to open that the same file, VI space Puja, enter. Okay, suppose I want to delete this. I want to delete this one. Okay, now I want to exit this file. So press escape, use the colon, type WQ. WQ is for what? Write and quit. Suppose I don't want to save the data, but I want to exit from the file. So use Q and use exclamation mark. So why the exclamation mark? So maybe if you are using the Q, so it will deny. See what happened. See, you are getting the error. So again, use the escape symbol, use the colon Q exclamation mark. It means by using the forcefully manner, I want to exit from the file with the with forcefully manner and press enter. See, you are able to exit. Again, I am going to open the file vi space puja and now see what happened. Escape key is also there because you are exit without saving anything. ठीक है ना, मैंने सेव नहीं किया था, मैं सिर्फ बाहर आया था डिलीट करके, इसलिए उसने वापस से मुझे दे दिया. ओके. Now again, I want to write something. Press insert, enter. So this is third line. Okay. And now again I want to save. So then use escape key, colon. In the place of the WQ, you also use the X. The X is a combination of WQ and press enter. Now see. So it will save and exit from the file. Now check vi space puja, it is written or not. See, the data is saved. समझ आ रहा है?
Yes.
Okay. So this is the main purpose of the vi. Okay. You can perform the so many things. Suppose I have three lines, and what I want to copy these three lines. So you need to type three. You need to type uh, press the 3 on your keyboard and then press YY. Okay, press the 3 and type YY. Okay, and then you can get the message 3 line young. It means the 3 lines are copied. And if you want to paste the line, then press P. Okay, press P. Press P. Right? So you are able to copy and paste the line. By pressing the P command, you are able to paste the line. No, again. See what happened. Right now my cursor in the first line. And what I want to switch my cursor from top to bottom, from first line to last line. Okay, I'm not going to press this arrow key. Suppose I have 100 lines, so I need to press the 100 times this arrow key, right? So what I want to move my cursor from first line to last line, then press capital G. Okay, capital G. You need to press capital G on your keyboard. So right now your cursor is on the last line, and I want to switch my cursor from last line to top first line. Then press small gg, small gg. Remember the keywords, okay? See, if you press the capital G, then top top
To
to
last.
last. Okay, if you press small gg, it will last to top. Okay, and if you want to switch from the any kind of the specific number, like the I want to switch my cursor over the fifth line, then type 5 gg. See, small gg. So right now your cursor in the fifth line. Okay, if you want to delete anything on the file, then type dd. dd is for the delete. Okay, dd is for the delete. Okay, now suppose what I want to enter the one more line above the cursor. So right now my cursor in the Gaurav one. Okay, so what I want to insert a one more blank line above the cursor, or maybe the below the cursor. So you need to press capital O. Okay, if you press the capital O, so you are able to insert a line above the cursor. अभी देखो क्या हुआ, गौरव के ऊपर एक लाइन आ गई. If you want to insert a line below the गौरव, okay, so use small o. अभी देखो एक नीचे लाइन आ गई. Capital O, to above the cursor, small o to below the cursor. You can insert a blank line, right? Clear?
Yes.
Suppose I want to search any kind of a keyword in the file. So what I need to do? Use / and type Gaurav. देखो आ गया, अपने आप हाईलाइट हो गया.
Okay.
If you want to print any kind of the line number, then use :SE space NU and enter. Now you will see the line number is printed. :SE NU. And now I want to exit. Now just take this screenshot for the I have this command. Just take the screenshot. These are the commands you can use for E, B, $, H, L, I, A, small o, capital O, R, D, D, X, Y, Y, P, U. So you need to perform all these things, all these kind of the commands in your VI editor. Just take the screenshot, okay? So what are the tasks? So the first one I gave you, okay, and now see, this is your second task. Just try it, or you can write down the task. Suppose I have a user. अभी कौन सा अपना यूजर आज गया है विराज. तो सपोज आई हैव अ यूजर विद द नेम ऑफ विराज. ओके. और विराज ने कल मुझे मैसेज किया कि वो 2-3 दिन नहीं आएगा, छुट्टी पे जा रहा है. लेकिन प्रॉब्लम क्या है, विराज अपना जो लॉगिन पासवर्ड है ना, वो गौरव को भी बता के जाता है और विजय को भी बता के जाता है. तो कल को गौरव उसके अकाउंट से लॉगिन कर देगा या तो विजय लॉगिन कर देगा. तो होगा क्या, उसका डेटा मैनिपुलेट कर दिया इन लोगों ने. ठीक है, किसी बात पे इनकी लड़ाई हो गई, ये लोगों ने कहा हाँ ठीक है तुम जाओ 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 हम देख लेंगे, और डेटा मैनिपुलेट कर दिया क्योंकि यूजर ने पासवर्ड इनको पता था. अब विराज जब वापस आएगा तो मुझसे बोलेगा नहीं मेरा किसी ने लॉगिन कर दिया, मेरा डेटा किसी ने मैनिपुलेट कर दिया, तो मैं क्या करूँ.
Yes.
तो मैं क्या चाहता हूँ, अब मैं विराज छुट्टी पे गया तो मैं विराज का पासवर्ड भी नहीं बदल सकता. I don't want to change the Viraj login password, but what I want, no one is able to log in. Okay, no one is able to log in with that username password which is used by the Viraj only. So what I need to do for the particular period, once the Viraj is join the office, then I am going to allow, because I am the administrator, so I am going to allow, and after that the Viraj or the any other person are able to log in with the same username password. But in the absence of Viraj, no one is able to log in with the username password. Got the point? वो नहीं है, उतने दिन मुझे रोकना है. वो एक बार आ जाए फिर मुझे अलाउ कर देना है और वो अपना लॉगिन करे या कोई भी लॉगिन करे, डजेंट मैटर. समझ में है? टास्क समझ में है, बट कंडीशन इज व्हाट, नो नीड टू चेंज द पासवर्ड. ठीक है ना, पासवर्ड आपको चेंज नहीं करना है एनी हाउ. क्लियर पूजा?
यस सर. सर उस
क्लियर.
पर डायरेक्टरी एक्सेस भी चेंज कर सकते हैं ना, रीड राइट एग्जीक्यूट.
नहीं, वो तो होम डायरेक्टरी है ना.
हाँ.
और तुम तो उससे नहीं, वो नहीं करना हमको, होम डायरेक्टरी नहीं चेंज करनी हमें. लॉगिन तो कर ही लेगा ना लिंक यूजर. और पता नहीं विराज ने कहाँ कहाँ फाइल बनाई है, कैसे लोग पता चलेगा हमको. तो वो नहीं करना है हमें, सिर्फ लॉगिन करने से रोकना है, परमिशन नहीं चेंज करना.
तो सिर्फ लॉग
परमिशन चेंज,
करना होगा ना. जी तो उस पर
हाँ
कैन वी
वो कर
लॉग द
सकते.
यूजर अकाउंट.
हाँ, लॉग द यूजर अकाउंट ये कर सकते हो, ब्लॉक कर दो फॉर द टेम्परेरी बेसिस.
वो
ठीक है,
पास PAWSWD -L विराज ऐसे कुछ है शायद।
अब वो मुझे नहीं पता, देख
ओके,
लेना कैसे करना
ठीक है।
है। द सेकंड टास्क इज व्हाट, अभी क्या है कि I created a user with the name of Gaurav. Okay. But the correct spelling is what? Gaurav. Gaurav. But what I type? Gaurv. समझे ना? देखो. I'm going to create a user with the name of Gaurav. Okay. Gaurav. But by mistake, what I type? Gaurv. So what I want? I don't want to delete this user. I just want to change the name of this user from Gaurav, from wrong to right. Okay. So this is your second task. Clear? I hope you got the three tasks, right? Now the fourth one is what? Fourth one is what? Suppose I have a user and the name is test. The name is test, and I'm going to delete this user via command user def and test. So it means the user is going to delete, but still their home directory is present, है ना? Its home directory is present in the slash home one. So what I want to delete this user with their home directory. I want to delete this user with their home directory. Okay, you need to delete this user with their home directory via single command. दो तीन कमांड नहीं चलानी, एक ही कमांड से करना है सब. ओके, क्लियर? नो, आफ्टर दिस ये हो गया, फिर उसके बाद में क्या करना है? सपोज आई हैव वन group. I have one group in my company, and the group name is sales. And in this group, I have three users: Gaurav, Vijay, or Viraj. Right? I have three users, and I am the root. It means I am the admin. I am going to create a file. Okay, I created a file in the slash mnt location. mnt. I created a file in the mnt one with the name of demo. With the name of demo. So I'm able to read and write on this file. So what I want, all the sales group members is also able to read and write on this file. ये भी क्या करेंगे, रीड और राइट करेंगे. मैं भी क्या करूंगा, क्योंकि फाइल तो मैंने बनाई है, तो मैं भी रीड और राइट करूंगा. बट आई हैव वन मोर यूजर, द नेम इज पूजा. ओके, नेम इज पूजा. अब पूजा क्या करेगी? पूजा इज ओनली एबल टू रीड दिस फाइल बिकॉज सी इज द अदर्स वन. अब ये ओनर भी नहीं है, ये ग्रुप मेंबर का पार्ट भी नहीं है, तो ये क्या हुआ, ये अदर्स में आ गया. सो पूजा इज एबल टू रीड ओनली द फाइल. The Gaurav Vijay Viraj is able to read and write the file. The root user is able to read and write the file, and the puja is only for the reading the file. And where you need to create this file? On the slash mnt. Clear?
Yes.
So how many tasks you have?
5.
5 tasks. So you need to perform all these 5 tasks by today, and tomorrow you need to explain. Okay. but tomorrow you need to explain. Some more command is there. Now see. Okay, so after the VI, I'm going to give you the some more command. If you want to check how many hard disks you have, okay, and what is the free space, how much space you use from your hard disk. So how you will check? By using the fdisk command. Use fdisk space hyphen L, and now it will display you how many hard disks you have. So right now I have one hard disk with the name of slash dev slash sda, and the total size was 20 GB. And in this hard disk I have two partitions, sda1 and the sda2. So you can see it is a 19 GB, it is a 1 GB, right? So remember, with the help of this command, you are able to check how many hard disks you have, what will be the size you have, and what is the partition's name. Okay, but I'm it is displaying only the this one, the 19 GB of the size, but I am unable to check the free one and the use one. So if you want to check the free space or the paid or the use space, then type df, enter. DF means what? Disk free. Okay, free space. So now you can see it is a used one, it is a available one, and this is a according to the percentage. Hey, but see how much is used? 11055. अरे ये क्या है यार? अब ये तो समझ में नहीं आ रहा। इतनी अच्छा तो मेरी मैथ है नहीं कि मैं इसको कैलकुलेट कर लूँ, और ये भी नहीं पता चल रहा ये बिट में है, बाइट में है, केबी में है, एमबी में, क्या है ये पता ही नहीं चल रहा है। So the better way is you can use df-h. H is for what? Human readable format. हम लोग को कैसे पता चलता है? अगर इसमें m लग के आ जाएगा तो mb हो जाएगा, g लिख के आ जाएगा तो gb हो जाएगा, k लिख के आ जाएगा तो kb हो जाएगा. So use the df-h for the human readable format, and now you can see it is showing 11g, 11gb, 100k, 100kb, 960m, MB. Okay, so with the help of this command you are able to check how much space is used and the available, and where you mounted on. In the Linux, whenever you are going to create any kind of the partition, whenever you are going to use any kind of CD, DVD or the pen drive, so first of all you need to mount. Once you mount, then after you are able to use that thing. Okay, this one is clear. Now the another command is blkid. Let me clear. blkid, block device. If you want to check how many block device you have, so you can use this one, blkid. No, so now see sda2 is there, sda1 is there. Okay, so these are your hard disk one. Clear? blkid. One more thing, if you want to check how many space is used by the particular directory, suppose in my laptop I have cd slash, I'm going to enter on the cd slash etc. Okay, so where right now, what is my location? etc1. So etc is a kind of a directory which contain all the system related database. Okay, so I want to check how much space used by the this directory. So use the command du and enter. So it is going to calculate entire space used by the etc. So you can see 28764 is there. What is this? It is a MB1 or GB1. Again the same problem. So you need to type du space hyphen h, the human readable format, and now see that particular directory is used by the 29 MB of space. Okay, so with the help of this command you are able to check how much space used by the particular folder or directory. Clear?
Yes.
Now again I'm going to explain you this clear one. Okay, because every time I need to type this 5 character, I don't want to type this one forever, so I want to create a shortcut. So type open a file ls-a, open a file vi space dot bash rc. Okay, open this file vi space dot basrc and enter. See, so in this one, in this file here, you can see this is the alias one. So what you need to do, copy this line, alias mb hyphen y. So copy. So what is the command I need to use? Copy one yy. Okay, and then I want to paste p. It is pasted. Now press small I for the insert mode, and here uh, you need to type. I want to shortcut key, so I want to use C. For which command? In this part, you need to type the command name. So what is my command name? I want to use clear command. So if I press C, so the clear command will going to execute. Okay. After this, save this file. Save this file by using the W key. And now press C, enter. Oh, I'm not getting the update. It's not working. Okay, no issue. Just exit this one. And then again log in with the root sudo space su space hyphen enter 123 enter. Now see what happened. I press C and enter. Done. Now again see, my terminal is full. I'm going to press C or enter. Done. No need to type 5 keystrokes. Just simple press C and enter, you are able to clear your screen. So remember, with the help of this file, you are able to create your shortcuts. Best RC. Okay, clear? Hmm?
Okay, we are using alias, right?
Yes, alias. You need to copy the any line and paste and then change it according to your use. So here you need to type the keywords which you want to use, and in this part after the equal to you need to define the command name, and then save this file and exit it. And after this one you need to log out, otherwise it will not going to update. You need to log out and re-log in, or you can close the terminal as well. So with the help of this method you are able to give the update on your database. Otherwise you can use update db. You can also run this command if you are going to change anything on your server side and you want to give the update to your server. So use update db. Okay. One more important command is there, uname. With the help of uname, you are able to check the kernel detail. Okay, so this is the kernel name only. Uname hyphen R. So you will get the kernel release date. This is the kernel release date or the version name. If you want to get the entire detail of your kernel, then type uname hyphen A. See, this is a local host, local domain, and this one, this one, this one, this one, this one. Okay. You can also type the host name and give the name is like um, server server. Now see, I changed my computer name from localhost to server by using this command, host name, and give the any name which you want to assign. Okay. And now you can see the Raj is logging on this TTY5. Raj is logging on the TTY4 is also. So with the help of W command, you are able to check. I think on that last time I explained you this one. So with the help of this one, you are able to check the Raj is logging on this one. Okay. This clear? So how many command we covered today? By using the club 201. So there is some repeated one. I hope all the commands is clear which we covered today. Hmm?
Yes, almost, yes. But if you are
Almost.
not using this VI, then also the command will be same, right?
The command will be the same. Only the VI editor command will change.
Okay.
Okay, because if you use the colon WQ colon X or the any other, so that is only for the VI part. If you open the
Okay.
file with the help of VI, then you can use. If you are using any kind of the other editor or the any other thing, so you no need to use this.
Okay.
Okay. Anyone any having doubt?
No, sir. I will check everything again once.
Okay. Okay, so for the today, I think is enough. Okay, I already gave you the task, so you need to perform these all 5 tasks. Once you complete, so it will be help you to clear your doubt as well. And then tomorrow I will going to give you the some at least 4 to 5 commands, which is more, and then I'm giving you the overview how you will design or create a script. Okay, and then we will move on the AWS part.